Chat, I'll give it a 5.5. Next. Bro's the meat mortician. Oh my goodness! How much meat do you need? Give me some of that meat! Bro's the carnivore criminal! Oh my goodness, I see some butt flakes on the bottom of the fridge though. Hold up. I am getting, this is a hunter who like packs his own meat and he just has it like in a freezer somewhere and he breaks it out every now and then. But I do see some booty flakes on the bottom of the fridge. I don't really know about that. Chat, what do y'all want to give this? It's just nothing. It's like, this is Arby's fridge. Okay, bet that, Jake. Appreciate it, Jake. We're not giving it a 10. I'll give it a 6 because there's no selection, no variety. You know what I mean, chat? I'll give it a 6 out of 10. I'm giving it a 6 out of 10. Okay, this dude took a picture on a iPhone 10 years ago. What flavor ice cream is this? Is this half and half? I see corn cobs in the... What's up here? It looks... I can't tell what that is. It looks like some chicken tenders. What's in here? Is that mac and cheese? Chad, is that leftover mac and cheese? What is that? It looks like maggots. This looks like a bowl of, like, hot, steaming diarrhea that I bottled up straight from Dolores and left it in my fridge to cook for later. Giant tub of mayo. That looks like a watermelon, potentially. Yeah, that's definitely a watermelon. Dude, I don't know. There's just not much, like... Okay, I see a little Oreo snack. Okay, listen. This fridge doesn't have options of, like... I open the fridge up, and there's immediately a bunch of options for me to just grab something to eat. Besides the ice cream. Oh, that's disgusting. 6? Chat, y'all cool with a 6? Who just said a 9? A 5? I'll go 6. Chat, we'll go 6. 6 seems fair to me right here. This is giving me still image of a 1970s serial killer documentary of them opening their fridge and like just putting it in a documentary for 1 second. These are the vibes that I'm getting from this fridge. Like, oh, this was the picture of the inside of Jeffrey's fridge. And it's just in there for 1 second. That's exactly what this looks like. Buddy, are you a serial killer and do we need to alert the authority right now? I'm giving it a 1. Because first off, the image is in 260p. And it's bad. It's disgusting. Oh my goodness, you're disgusting! This is disgusting! No! Nah, it's too healthy. Nah, this fridge is way too healthy. There's nothing in here that I would eat. There is actually not, besides the eggs, there is not a single thing in this fridge that I would grab. What did this nerd just type in my chat? Hold on, you better hope I don't find it, buddy. This is disgusting. Looks absolutely disgusting. Buddy, what's up with all this brown action? Did somebody squat down, drop their drawers, and take a dump right here? What's going on? But let's ignore that, and let's focus on what's actually in here. First off, I don't appreciate the fact that you're flexing on the whole chat with your hardwood floors. We get it, buddy. We get it. You got hardwood floors in your house. We get it. Okay. We're starting off with half of a gallon of whole milk. I am 99% sure this is expired. But I do see some Frank's hot sauce right here. That is going to bump up your points significantly because Frank's is the best hot sauce that ever existed. What else you got? A bunch of yogurt. Chat, y'all got yogurt in y'all's fridge? Type 1 if you got yogurt in your fridge. I feel like I see a lot of yogurt, man. Okay, we got some alcoholic beverages down here. Ooh, man, not much. Ooh, there's really not much in the... Is that some hamburger helper or something right there? Okay, freezer aisle. Okay, those are some French fries in the flat box. Those are always mid. Can't tell what all these are. Frozen meat. Ooh, popsicles. Ooh, I don't know, chat. What do y'all want to give this? This feels like a good middle of the road, you know. Not doing too much. 6? You know what? Yeah, I'll give it a 6. That seems like the most 6 fridge that you could ask for. Yeah. Okay, never mind. Okay, never mind. Because what on this planet Earth is this? Chat, what is it? You're getting a 0. Straight up 0. First off, I have a problem with you. You're disrespectful. You're over here trying to flex your hardwood floors. Congratulations, buddy. You got some money. You didn't have to include the hardwood floors into the picture. You over here trying to flex on everybody. Oh, look at me and my hardwood floors. You're losing 5 points because of this. Dirty the drawer is. Ew! Look at the bottom of the drawer.